What's up, my friends? Welcome to Anica Soleva Papercraft. Does anyone in your life have a special baby related event coming up? If they do, you need to give them something nice and thoughtful. I will show you how to make this cute handmade greeting card. It features a baby emoji, a candy emoji, and a bunch of little hearts. It's perfect for baby showers, christening, and even first birthdays. Or you could use it as a romantic gift for your boyfriend or girlfriend, aka your baby. I hope you enjoy making it. Thank you guys for your support.